with a multi-purpose cutting bit and drill locator. GOXAWEE Rotary tool is versatile enough to deal with your different wood crafts, allowing you to fulfill the job fantastically. We thoughtfully put in Resin Cut Off Disc for metal products, and the additional 545 diamond cutting disc is especially for glass, ceramic, floor tile. The 545 diamond cutting wheel has holes on the surface that could provide better heat dissipation and help users do the job quicker and more effectively. Note: kindly get the diamond disc wet when using it so as to longer its working life. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Diamond drill bits are perfect for drilling holes through hard materials such as these: glass, sea glass, beach glass, fused glass, stone, gemstones, rock, pebbles, ceramic, porcelain, tiles, glazed pottery, plates, shell, antler, bone, fossil, very hardwood, etc. Do remember to use water for cooling to extend its lifetime. To smooth your workpiece's surface, you can choose from abrasive stone, fleet wheel, sanding drum, and disc for your different objects. Polishing: just put a few buffing compounds on the flat wheel and gently glide the buffing wheel with a slow, steady, light touch will do things right. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Wider compatibility. This 3-jaw keyless drive chuck allows you to quickly and easily change accessories on GOXAWEE Rotary tools without using collets and accepts accessories from 1/64 inch to 1/8 inch shank. Number 2. Variable speed mini drill tool. Adjustable 5-step 8,000 to 30,000 RPM variable speed rotary tool. It is suitable for a wide range of projects and tasks like sanding, engraving, grinding, cutting, and so on. Adjust the dial until you get the proper speed. Number 3. High Performance Craft Tool. This well-made durable mini rotary tool is ideal for craft projects and DIY creations in your home, working in the garage, hobby, jewelry tools and equipment, model making, woodworking, metalworking, and more purpose. Number 4. Quick Change Drill Chuck. Come with 3-jaw universal chuck, applying better stability on your projects, allowing you to quickly and easily change accessories on the rotary machine tool freely. Number 5. 140 pieces attachment and accessory. Flexible shaft holds like a pen for your precise projects. Cover shield provides better protection for cutting and grinding. Drill locator helps for precision work on wood. Diamond cutting wheel is the best tip for glass, ceramic, floor tile, etc. Versatile accessories include a pair of extra carbon brushes, which rescue you from searching new set and saving money. Number 6. Amazing gift for DIY enthusiasts. Packed in a solid carrying case. It's more solid, falling resistant, and moisture proof. Machine and accessories are well organized, easy to place, lightweight, portable for carrying. GOXAWEE Rotary Toolkit is great for DIY craft and small family projects. It's also a gift for people who are keen on handmade stuff, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.